Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your order on AliExpress. AliExpress shipping tracking is a comprehensive tracking system that allows you to monitor the status of your package from the moment it leaves the seller's warehouse until it arrives at your doorstep. With this tool, you can easily track your package's location, estimated delivery date, and any updates regarding its shipping status. First, let's open AliExpress app on your device. After that, go on your account by tapping on little main icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you are come on your account, and next to track your order, we will go on section called My Order. In my case, this section is first one. Then click on option which is marked in red. In my case, that option is called review because this order is completed. After that, go on order you want to see where is it. Now you track your parcel in this way by looking at the blue line at the top of the screen, and when that blue line reaches the point where the place is written, it means that your parcel is at that place. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.